Oil and fuel stains are a common problem wherever heavy vehicle traffic is present. These stains can lead to slip and fall safety concerns while also negatively impacting the appearance of your locations. Oil stains detract from your business image and may discourage customers from even entering your store to purchase more. Your store exterior offers customers their first and sometimes last impression of how you run your store. Are you losing out on sales because your forecourts look dirty? Cleaning concrete by pressure washing or using corrosive chemicals is expensive, dangerous, and time-consuming. These methods also require that the area be completely closed to staff and customers, can introduce contaminants to the environment through runoff, and are damaging to concrete surfaces and the surrounding equipment. EXIMO Waterless Concrete Cleaner uses the EPA-recommended method of bioremediation to remove stains. EXIMO removes existing oil stains from the surface and deep within the pores of concrete, and even prevents future staining, leaving a clean, restored appearance. EXIMO is safe, easy to apply, creates no hazardous waste, and cleans better than traditional methods. EXIMO's time-driven bioremediation process continues working even between applications. EXIMO takes just minutes to apply and can be walked on or driven on immediately, requiring no downtime and less labor. For best results, we recommend instituting a cleaning schedule to maintain regular applications. Despite the ongoing staining to your fuel stations, drive-thrus, parking lots, or sidewalks, EXIMO can ensure that your customers will feel like you've laid out the red carpet for them during every visit.